Hey, Brent, how long have we been married?
5 years.
I believe our marriage is strong enough to survive a trip to IKEA to get one thing when we're on sort of a time crunch. How do you feel?
Benji, do you remember when we were going from Sawmill to Oz and we stopped at Target for 2 items and we walked up and down every single
So this is like a little mini IKEA.
Yeah, it's only a single story. I thought you had to go up escalators to get into all IKEAs. I just thought that was
Well,
the rule.
is it one story or is it 2 stories? Well, because usually at least you go up and then it's the showroom and then you go down and it's the party floor.
Is that what we're calling it?
The party floor? Yeah, you get to test out all the things you've only been able to see up to that point.
Cafeteria with a view of the World Trade Center.
I mean, they better have a cafeteria. I am real hungry.
You told me all IKEAs have a
I
cafeteria.
am under the.
You lied.
I'm under the impression that
You lied.
I did not lie. I am under the impression that all IKEAs have a cafeteria.
Okay, you did not say I'm under the impression. You said all IKEAs.
Right. That's what.
You stated it as a definitive.
It is
fact.
definitive. I've read it on the internet. It has to be true. Swedish restaurant open till 7:30.
We come here for?
We came for the Tupperware, the food storage containers that we liked and have gone that are really little, and we can do all our meal prep and pile them up.
All right, let's go.
So, do you want to stop at that cafe first, or I don't know if there's a bigger one?
Let's go to that cafe first.
Okay.
Got a veggie pizza slice, a meatball sundae, which is mashed potatoes, meatballs, and lingonberries. Then I got a lingonberry cola.
What'd you get? This is veggie pizza. It's not veggie pizza. It's pizza with meat. And then I got a veggie dog, and it has these like purple things on it that I don't know what they are, but I really like them. Pickled cabbage. Anyway,
Looks like crispy onion.
and crispy onion, I think. Yep, crispy onion. To go to the bathroom before we get. No, but I'll need to go as soon as we get far enough that it's going to annoy you. Then I have to go back. We're now 9 minutes into this trip. We don't. What do we need the Christmas cards for? Mario Oreo. We haven't even literally entered the showroom. Oh, this one's nice. I do like this one. It's a fox with Christmas trees. Brutus. This is Brutus's cousin. He's a fox, and he survives in the wild, and he hunts his own food.
This one's the liberal agenda. It's just a bunch of different people holding hands and they look happy. This one's just
All right.
It's just a snowman.
We're at the entrance. This is the first item in the entire showroom, and you've now stopped here for over 2 minutes.
All right. Well, I also like those boxes.
Where are we going to put a box? We live in a tin can on wheels.
A complete bedroom for under $1,200.
We have a complete bedroom.
Let's go find out how they did it.
This is now literally the second product.
Chill, man.
Oh my God, don't you even. Don't you even. You won't meditate with me. You won't go to yoga with me. You won't sit and breathe when you're upset.
You're like
And now you want me to
just be like,
Who are you?
this is IKEA, Brendan.
This is not the plan. Our plan is to get past Memphis tonight, and we're not even at Memphis. B, we are in a hurry because we need to warm up the RV before it gets to 20 degrees. We're also here shopping for Modernism Week. During all this craziness while we lived in an RV, the RV was broken, and the RV was in Texas, and instead of staying at like a hotel in Texas, we decided to fly to Palm Springs for a few months. This was last winter. And long story short, we bought a condo. I mean, do you want to tell the...
We bought a zoo.
No, well, basically we bought into a zoo. It's an HOA, which Brendan is on the board of now. So there's this week in Palm Springs. It's called Modernism Week. It's like a big architecture tour for all the mid-century modern stuff. And our building was selected to be a tour at Modernism Week, which is really cool. And our unit was selected to be one of the featured units. And so we're going to have thousands of people coming through our condo. We Airbnb it out, but now we're going to go back and we're going to spend some time there and we're going to design it. And we're here also looking for stuff for that. So we're looking for Tupperware for meal prep and an entire mid-century modern bedroom and office slash
gym
bed
combo.
Yeah, office slash gym slash bedroom combo. So the scope of our trip just expanded wildly in the last minute. Do we need like organization stuff?
I'm having to organize.
Hey, Brent. Can we get this? We're in section 8.
We missed workspaces 6.
Yeah, so we need to go back. No,
We did a short.
we did a shortcut. We didn't want to do a shortcut. For where?
On top of the fridge, hanging down.
Okay, you want to get them?
Yeah.
How many?
A whole case.
Disco ball. Let's put an actual disco ball in and then put a bunch of images of disco balls around the room. And that can be...
We put a disco ball in, and then we put a bunch of photos of the balls or and that's commentary on the disco ball.
You mean like scrotum, testicle? Okay. I don't think... I'm not seeing the vision.
I don't dislike it, but it doesn't speak to me. Get out of here, perv. No, I like the plans. I wouldn't like it without the plans in it. It would seem like a basic bitch purchase to me, but with the plans, it's like, which probably makes it even more basic, but with the plans, it's like, got something, you know?
What about that one?
I don't really.
The black.
Seems like something I'd see at my grandma's house, not in the big way.
You seem overwhelmed. Is that a kettle? A non-electric kettle? It's just called a pitcher. Do I like those chandeliers or are they also basic? We are in section 4 out of 8. And you haven't bought anything stupid yet.
I'm telling you, you're supposed to take it from me. There's no tag that says pick up and
Oh, this is what we came for. Jackpot. Look at that. Had you not stopped for your apple and lingen sparkling. All right, so these, I bought a set of these. I mean, I think I had them when I met you, so over 10 years ago. And they've lasted great. Don't put them in the dishwasher. They've lasted great. And we just keep losing them. And now we're down to like, not enough. So it's these little ones. It's hard to see. I'll show you. They're down at the bottom. These little ones are really the ones that let us do meal prep and take advantage of all the space. Although I've been reading, you're supposed to have room in between everything in the fridge for air circulation.
air circulation.
Should we get 2 of these?
Okay.
Or 3?
2 seems like
I mean, so think about it. These. It only has 3 of the itty bitty ones, and those are the ones we really want. I think we should get 3. Let's get 3. Can we get 3?
Are we getting rid of all of our other Tupperware?
No, that's good. Big Tupperware. Yes, we do. Look how tightly they stack. We just have to take a picture of how it's packed. 3, okay? Okay. Is that all of them? Is there 3 in there or 2?
There's 2 in here.
There's 2 in here, so maybe we'll grab one more in the market.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. So happy we found them.
You wanted organic jelly from the farmer's market.
Yeah. You want to get it? What's the flavor?
Cloudberry.
Cloudberry?
Get some lingonberry and the cloudberry.
First of all, what
The lingonberry.
are you trying to do? The Muppet?
Yoo-hoo, pick some of yours.
Oh, okay. You're about to be canceled. I don't know how to turn this on.
But that plug it lights up.
You want to find out if it lights up?
I like this art.
I absolutely love this. However, I'm sorry, my love. These are just 3 different wall panels samples. There's 3 more under. But we could literally do this. We could buy these 6 panels and make this art. No.
Now that it's not art,
No,
it's not art.
No, that's... No. buying art at IKEA is not art. Making things out of things you find, that's art. None of it is real. None of the plants are real, Brent. However, have you ever thought about how you water all the plants?
I like being the crazy guy who goes out with a bottle of Poland Springs crossed out and says, "Do not drink."
What I also want for the RV, and I know that this is a big ask, is a desk chair. And it needs to fold up, and so everything in IKEA folds. Is that you? Did you fart?
That's not I.
Really? I know the smell of your fart. That was you.
Should probably get it.
Okay, yeah, let's get it.
Do you think this would support a load?
I do not think it is load bearing. Brendan, your dog is like having a breakdown. Oh,
Brutus was just telling me this is Bandit.
Bandit. Kisses? We have hit the end of the showroom. How do you feel so far? Oh, there's a full cafeteria here. We wasted our hunger on the. You want to get more?
That was just a little pre-show.
Well, yeah, you ate half of my pizza.
I don't know what I want. I feel like there's probably so many more options here. I don't want to commit.
Plant balls, French fries, strawberry shortcake, and lingonberry soda.
Plant balls, French fries, strawberry shortcake, lingonberry soda,
Yes, but please don't say it.
cola.
I don't like anything about this. But only because I had my hopes up for what I wanted. And I don't understand, they didn't have French fries. I literally saw a big thing of French fries at her buffet, and it was full.
Do you want me to go double check?
No, I don't want you to go double check. I believe you. I don't believe her.
And she said, we're out, it'll take 9 minutes.
9 minutes?
Yeah.
I could have done that.
Do you want me to go double check?
No. I'm gonna wipe this sauce off.
Final review?
Thumbs down.
You heard it here first. The plant balls are trash.
They also know the plant balls sound good. These are the veggie balls.
The veggie balls are trash. You heard it here first.
Very beginning of the marketplace. First item you saw.
Well, Benji, this is the practical lid for the serving bowl in the same series.
I'm getting antsy, and we still have to get through the whole marketplace. Can you tell I'm getting antsy?
This is what we're doing.
Don't use my own words against me. What are you looking at me like that for? I'm getting sleepy.
It's just sleep then, because once you say I'm sleepy, it's 10 minutes before you're irritable.
I'm not irritable, I'm sleepy. I've been here a long time.
Shortcut.
No, I want to go through all the sections.
You can do it if you want. You asked me my opinion, I said no. And now if you want to override that opinion, do it.
But I just think you're wrong.
Okay, you're often wrong, and I do what I want anyway.
When is the last time I was wrong?
This morning.
What about what?
Which one?
Yeah, which one? Tell me.
Exactly, Benji.
Who wore it better?
Thought none of these were real, Benji.
These are not real. I don't know
Very much real.
why they're in water. IKEA doesn't have real plants.
Yes, they do.
No. We are at the self-serve furniture area, and I don't think we have anything else to get. We didn't decide to get anything, right?
Correct.
So we've almost made it.
Do you want to go into one of the open furniture bins?
No, I saw a TikTok that did not go well for a gay couple in near LA. But I have a second best idea. We can go to the as is section and see what sort of special things we could find.
What's the as is?
It's like the scratch and dent.
Oh, it's like when I was a kid and you had to throw the cans of ravioli on the ground so that they were half priced.
Every time you tell me about your childhood, I get a little sad. I mean, it's one thing to buy the scratch and dents because they're scratch and dent and get a discount, but you were asked to commit fraud?
Ravioli, give me the formula. Wait, what is it?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
It is ravioli.
What does that even mean?
From SpongeBob.
Oh, SpongeBob is a little after my time.
Okay, this one's real. This is a really good fake. Yeah, the best one's crowded. All right, can we really
Can we really what?
get out of here?
So the only product we got was the different Tupperwares. We only got 2. We meant to get 3, and then the little ones with the different color lids. And then everything else is food, which is, required to live, so it's fine. I'm so tired. We've been in there for 4 hours. We only needed one thing. How do you feel about me?
Good.
In our relationship?
5 out of 5.
Because there was a point there, I was a little antsy, and then you were antsy. The ingredients are not in English at all.
That's how you know it's authentic.
Well, how do you think they get away with that? Do you think IKEAs are diplomatic spaces that they can import?
Or they're just fuck you, we don't follow the rules, and then the government it's okay.